Yeah, so Join Brands is a self-service platform. So any brand owner or agency can go and sign up on Join Brands and create an account for free. Think of it like Upwork for content creators. So you post a job, a campaign, and then creators will apply to that campaign. You get to see their portfolios, their past work, their ratings and reviews, and then you get to hire the ones that you want to work with. So now we have well over 300,000 creators on the platform. And these are not just UGC creators, these are influencers, these are affiliates. Some have millions of followers, some of them have 5 followers. It doesn't really matter to us. Everybody can be creating content. Especially for TikTok Shop, it's really a volume game of content and how much you can put out in order to drive sales. Because the more attention you can grab, the more algorithm you can dictate going to your way, the better you can do. So, that wasn't really the case when we built Join Brands about 3.5, 4 years ago. But today, it's so much about how many shots on goal you take with the content. And so we try to make it really low cost, easy to do. And so I think we're still one of the lowest cost content platforms out there with no retainers, no nothing like that. We make it really easy. Order one video, one image, or 100 or 1,000. It doesn't matter. So that's kind of what we did with Join Brands, is just made this thing really easy for people to kind of get the wheel started. We're not saying we're going to take you all the way to, top tier influencers in your niche. That may be where you need to kind of do the direct outreach in the traditional way. But with the micro nano influencers and the mass influencers, we're the best option out there, I think.